there's a new project. Of course, it's another old Mercedes. This is a 83 240D, I believe. I picked this up yesterday. I believe I'm technically the second owner. The gentleman I bought it from said his uncle had this car from new. It was stored in a tobacco barn for a long time. His uncle passed away. Then it was stored indoors at this gentleman's garage, at which point I picked it up. It's 220,000 miles. The body's pretty straight on it, paint faded, respray with some clear coat on the front of it. It runs, it's very gross, smokes a lot. Water pump started leaking when I was driving it yesterday. Smells terrible. Mice have been living in it. Inside is also disgusting. In the center console, I had a chlorine dioxide tablet in there yesterday. Still some mouse turds that I did not vacuum up. 4-speed manual. Look at the dash. Only a small crack. Floor's wet. Door doesn't stay open on its own. That driver's seat completely destroyed. I think the whole interior needs to be thrown away. North Carolina car, no rust. Except the battery tray, of course. Well, I guess I'll give it the sniff test. Wow. It really doesn't smell that terrible in here anymore. I used a filter when I was vacuuming this out yesterday. A respirator before I went in here. Oh, now it's got a door ding. The rocks. Yeah, so this stuff definitely works. Spider. I think I should just tear the whole interior apart and throw it away. I guess I'll get to cleaning. So what I'll do now is, got some degreaser. I'm just gonna spray everything with degreaser. Also, I have the handy VX5000 steam machine. Yeah, that's the, look at that, 2003. What were you doing in 2003? But this was a really nice car in 2003. I wonder if I can make it a nice car again. Could you imagine hosing down a new Mercedes engine bay with soap and water? Well, I think that's good. I'm gonna have to get my engine scrub brush and start scrubbing. So check this out. It's come a lot cleaner. I was scrubbing this with a degreaser. I tried different degreasers and things, and then I thought about it a little bit, and the previous owner told me that this car was stored in a tobacco barn. So I think what I'm scrubbing off here is not the standard Mercedes gunk and grease and things. And you know, I found it odd that it was all over the front of the radiator support. And then I realized, you know what, this is probably some sort of tar from the tobacco. So you can see where I haven't cleaned it here yet. And then also, right, I don't normally see grease and things up on the top of the fender wells. It's mostly, you know, around the engine components and such. But what I think this is some sort of tar from the tobacco. So I started using this Plasti dip dissolver, which is like an orange based solution, and a little scrubby pad, this guy here, and that really eats it off, and then I can hit it with a steam cleaner and it comes off. So that's about 2 rounds through cleaning here. You can see now, like, it's not black anymore. You can read the plate, and then also the stickers on the, I just cleaned the stickers, but you can see along the edge where I stopped the scrubbing, right, there's still this tar kind of stuff here, and it's on this radiator hose everywhere, man. Gross. Well, here's after round 1 of cleaning, or well, I guess day 1 of cleaning. I'm done cleaning for today. I think it's come a long way. At least it's to the point where I wouldn't mind reaching my hands in there, changing out this water pump, pulling these injectors, testing the spray patterns, pop pressures, etc. I think we're coming along good.